In today's video, I'm going to be sharing something that I've been struggling with the past few months. And that is trying to balance the hustle with a healthy life. So many of us get so caught up in working so hard in the grind and the hustle. And I know as a student, there's so many fellow students that just work so hard in school, on their education, and internships and jobs. I know that I'm in that boat. Sometimes it feels like the hustle is too much. And so in this pursuit of finding a healthy hustle, I did some research. I looked up what I could do to try to make this lifestyle more balanced and healthy. A lot of the resources that I found really emphasized that we should be spending our time doing the things that make us, number one, the most fulfilled, and number two, have the greatest return on our time investment. The one thing that all of these resources pointed to was outsourcing. Outsourcing the work that's tedious for you, that you don't enjoy doing, so that you can focus on the things that you do enjoy and that you actually care about and will give you the greatest return for your time investment. In this video, I'm going to be outsourcing my life for a month using Fiverr. I'm going to be taking various tasks and responsibilities from my life and outsourcing them using Fiverr.com. For this challenge, I'm going to have a budget of $20 a week that I could spend on various different tasks or on one big task. And overall, I'm going to show you my successes, my failures, and my overall thoughts if I think outsourcing using Fiverr is a good idea, especially for a brand new content creator like myself. So make sure to stay tuned and watch until the end. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chris and this is the Lifestyle Design Show, the #1 place for young adults to learn lifestyle design and easy personal finance. Can you see the sunset behind me? This is so pretty. That's insanely pretty. We're gonna go ahead and start the process for the first Fiverr job of this challenge. I'm gonna hire out my thumbnail. I did some research on Fiverr and I found someone that does thumbnails for $10. They'll make 3 thumbnails for $10. I really like the sound of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take pictures in front of this cool background I have, and then I'm gonna upload them on Fiverr and I'm gonna pay $10 and have him make 3 different versions of my thumbnail so I have some choices. Now if you don't know what Fiverr is basically a platform full of freelancers who are willing to do pretty much anything. You can find a lot of different tasks on Fiverr. And it's called Fiverr because most of these tasks are just $5. A lot of them are significantly more than $5. There's different tiers that people can charge for different tasks. We just finished taking pictures and now I'm going through and I'm seeing which one I think would be good to put on Fiverr. I like that one. I like that one. I like that one. I just went ahead and I uploaded my images. I also include a lot of notes for them so they have some ideas of what to do. I also put fonts that I like and color preferences. I am cutting it close. I'm running out of time. My video is not even done editing yet and I want to post it tomorrow. So even though I'm nervous about how this is gonna come out, and I'm thinking that for $12, a thumbnail usually takes me about an hour. So I guess I'm saying my time is worth more than $12, which is a good feeling. Anyways, I'm really excited to see how this turns out. So now all I have to do is think about what I'm gonna do for my next Fiverr purchase. This Fiverr thing might be cool, or it might be awful. You know what? We'll find out together. Looking at my complete Fiverr order, I'm actually really happy with the results. So I'm gonna go ahead and accept this order, $12, well spent, in my opinion, and I'm gonna go ahead and use them for this week's YouTube video. So, I'm not gonna lie, it's been really hard to do these Fiverr jobs during these last couple weeks because it was Thanksgiving with the holidays and I was on a cruise with my family, and now it's finals week and that makes it even harder to do these Fiverr jobs. So I've fallen a little bit behind. It's been about a week and a half since I did my last Fiverr job. It's okay because I'm gonna do another one soon. I think I'm gonna do my channel banner. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna go on Fiverr and hire a freelancer to transcribe all the audio from every single one of my YouTube videos. It's the start of this semester, so that's 15 videos. I'm gonna have them professionally transcribed on Fiverr, and then I'm gonna turn them into blog posts on my blog. For those of you who are not familiar, let me clue you into my lifestyle design blog I have. It's called lifestyledesigndaily.com. And there you'll find a lot of content about how to live a healthy lifestyle, but also making sure you're sticking to a budget and you're building for your future. So we got back to transcripts, and now we're gonna go ahead and turn one of those transcripts into a blog post. Because that's the whole reason I did this specific Fiverr job. It's to make sure that I have extra content that I can put on my blog that I already have from my YouTube channel. I'm writing this blog post. Writing's a strong word. I haven't actually started writing yet. I have been messing around on Snapchat and TikTok. So I've been editing now for about 15 minutes and I'm making some progress. Also, I might have to go inside at some point because it's getting dark. So we'll see. Blog post, we're gonna finish. I'm getting distracted again. It's fine. Distracted! So I did something not great. I know I was supposed to be focusing on writing this blog post, but I took a nap instead. A short nap, time to do some deep focus and finish this blog post. I have been very happy with the transcription for this week's, but really it goes for 2 weeks, Fiverr challenge. I'm gonna go ahead and drop a link in the description so that if you did want to go ahead and read that blog post so you could see the work and see how it turned out, feel free to go ahead and check out that link. Altogether, I paid $62, but $60, that's the big guns. That is the big guns. That blows my budget, my weekly budget I set for myself of about $20. I have to say though that I really like this outsourcing so far. And I need to find the most economical ways to do that, and that's probably gonna be my focus going forward. Yo, what's up? I am looking for my final Fiverr job that I could do for this 30-day challenge. I really settled on doing a new channel banner. I found one that's only $5, and it looks like it's pretty good quality. And although it asked me for much, it actually only told me to describe my brand. I included a lot of things for inspiration. I included my brand colors. I included a picture of myself I like that they can include if they want. I included some inspiration. So I'm actually really excited. It's kind of just like throwing stuff in a pot, like if you're in the kitchen, and then maybe you got yourself some soup or something. I'm really excited for the possibilities that this challenge has opened up in my own life and my own business. So I'm about to click submit, so I'll let you guys know once we get the results. I'm leaving work right now. It's a Friday. I finally got my last Fiverr job, but it's finally done. So now all I gotta do is accept it, and I'll give you guys the update. So just to recap, I did a month challenge where I gave myself an allowance every single week to go ahead and use towards business development on Fiverr.com for different jobs and things that I could outsource, so that I could be more productive by having other people help. At first, I wasn't a huge fan of this challenge because I felt like it was hard to give up responsibilities that I'm used to doing myself. And it's hard to justify paying money for services that I could also do myself, right? Graphic design, editing, transcriptions. But I have to say that this whole experiment really changed my perspective a bit. It's like my child, right? Like when you have a business or a side hustle or whatever it is, it's hard to let some of those tasks go because you care about them so much and you care about the success of the business, and it really is like having almost like a child. So at first it was hard for me to let go of some of these responsibilities. I have to say, after experimenting with it for a month now and consistently every week doing a different Fiverr job, I realized the importance of outsourcing so that you can focus on things that are more important, whether that is more important things in your business or even more important things in your life. Right now, this has been the holidays, it's been break, I've seen family, I've been with friends that I haven't seen in a long time, and having help using Fiverr has really been a lifesaver, because I know I would have gotten even further behind if I didn't have these resources that help me, do my work and do them well. Overall, every job that I've done on Fiverr has been really positive, and I definitely recommend people to check it out. And honestly, I'm sure I'll be using Fiverr again because it was an awesome resource. Let me list some of the pros and cons. So pro of Fiverr, it's easy. Pro of Fiverr, it's convenient. You just go on there and search anything you might need. Pro of Fiverr, it's quick. There is a 3-day time limit usually for each of the sellers. I would say that's a huge plus. Cons. It's expensive. Fiverr really is expensive. When you include the tip, you include the flat price, you include the tax, and you include the service fee that Fiverr charges, which is usually, from what I've seen, $2. It just adds up, right? This $5 job that I did for my channel banner turned out to be $14, which isn't gonna break the bank, but it's a little more than you would expect. Second con of Fiverr, yeah, that's it. I can't think of a second one. It's mostly just the price. So the question is, would I do it again? Now that we're done, we finished the 30-day challenge, would I do it again? And the answer is, yeah, I really would do it again. Using Fiverr and being able to outsource some of the responsibilities that are hard or boring or just menial, stuff that you don't want to do necessarily, really was a game changer for me. I didn't realize how much it would help. I think that I will be using Fiverr again. The sun went away, so I'm taking my glasses off. This challenge really taught me just the importance of getting help and outsourcing. So I might not exclusively use Fiverr. I was actually thinking, because of this challenge, about hiring a virtual assistant or something along those lines. It's actually something that Tim Ferriss talks about in the 4-Hour Workweek, is the importance of having a virtual assistant that can work for you when you're busy. You can more easily build your business because you have that help. So I'm actually thinking about getting a virtual assistant, and if I do, I will 100% document the journey and show you guys what it's like. Now, the moment of truth. I've talked a lot about how expensive Fiverr was, and I would say it's kind of expensive because a lot of the stuff, there's a service fee. If it's a good job, you want a tip. So it's a little bit on the expensive side, but let me just go ahead and run the numbers for you guys. The new number that I wasn't expecting, which includes the gratuity and tax, it works out to be about $92.50. And was it worth it? Yeah, I would say it was. I am significantly further ahead in my business and in everything I'm doing because of Fiverr and outsourcing. So overall, I would say it's been a successful challenge, and I'm really happy that I did it. I love these personal development challenges and things that can actually help you, help your life, and help your business. So if you have any ideas, let me know, and I'll see you guys soon.